What is up, guys? It is me, the Cubing Bear, and today we're going to be doing another Let's Play. This time we're going to be doing a game called Slender. So, you guys remember that I did Slender Sanatorium, of course, but now I do I guess this was the original game that started the whole craze of the Slender game. So, we're going to go ahead and get started. This is attempt number 1, so let's go ahead and press start. You guys hearing that? Dude, this is weird. So we go to options and forget that. Then we go to extras. Hey guys. We're going to click on start now. Parasitic Productions. Parsec Productions presents Slender, the 8 pages. Alright. Oh, wow. Okay, so yeah, it's just exactly as I thought. It's the exact same as Sanatorium, because we all remember from watching Sanatorium that, you press shift and all that stuff to be able to run. Oh, look how awesome these trees look. They look amazing. I just love the way that everything just adds up together. Don't you guys think? It's amazing. There seems to be some grass somewhere, and some grass nowhere. Look behind me. Dude, that sounded weird. I think I heard a dog. Did you guys hear that? Because I heard a dog. I'm not sure. So, yeah, I just want to go ahead and take this while I'm playing out. I just want to take the time to say, thanks for hitting 50 subscribers. We hit more than 50, currently, right now, as of releasing this comment, I have exactly, how many? I have, there's no page on this thing? Are you serious? There's no page on this thing. Oh my god. I just wanted to go ahead and say thanks to you guys for, all the support. I appreciate all of you. So, we're just, yeah, I see a truck over there, so we're gonna go to that truck. We don't know where the pages are. Did it look the same? Did it look different? I don't know what a page looks like. It's gonna run a little bit. I have no idea what the Slender guy is, honestly. I wonder if he looks more different in this one than he does in the other one. I don't know. I honestly don't. Is there a page anywhere? No page. Oh my god, that owl sounds weird. Wow, there's no page. There's a page. What is it? Can't run. Oh, okay, here we go. Here comes the beat again. There's a fence. Oh shoot, I backed myself into a corner. Ooh, I don't like this at all. Yeah, this is not nice. I don't like this. I'm heading back in the direction where I was, and that's never a good thing, because he might be starting from where I started. And if he starts where I start, then I end up dying either way in the end. So I've got 1 page so far. So yeah, we hit 51 subscribers, guys. I'm really happy with that. I'm just so happy, and I feel so, like, I don't know how to say it, blessed, or, like, really happy that you guys are there to, like, support me in my quest to see. Wait, why is my screen not acting close up? Is he over there? Where is he? That mean that he's somewhere around here? I don't know if he's somewhere around here. What do you guys think? Because I don't know where he is. Oh yeah, we're gonna run. Not gonna deal with this today. This isn't a very good good thing for me. I already have one page. I need to get more than one. I do need more than one. I cannot survive like this. But yeah. So how's everyone doing today? I hope you're all having a fantabulous super scrunch. Oh my god, my wrist, man. Hope you're all having an awesome super flip-a-doucious day, whatever that means. Okay, so I know if I go down here, I might have... Oh, shoot! Oh my god! Oh, wow, he's right behind me. He's right behind me. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. Oh my god. Okay. I need to get behind this tree. There's a pole. Another page. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Get behind this pole. You can't teleport through walls. Go through here. How are you out of breath? Already, man. What the heck is wrong with this girl? Why is she out of breath? Doesn't make sense. If I look behind me right now. He's not there. Okay, so he's not there anymore, which is a good thing. 2 pages out of 8. Oh my god, I keep hitting that fence. I have to go in the wrong direction, guys. We have to go into the direction that we don't want to go to, but we gotta do it. It's like I'm lost, man. I don't even know where I'm going at this point. It's just crazy. I need to know where I'm going. I really do. I don't know where I'm going, guys. I really don't. And it's very scary. Oh, so I got lighter again. She's playing Lardy guy, guys. Ooh. We got some pipes over here. Looks like gas tanks, so I can like light. Oh my god! What was that? Why is my screen acting like this? Oh my god, she can't run. Oh my goodness. She's not running. Run! We're gonna die. I'm gonna go inside this. What is that, a building? Yeah, it looks like a building to me. Okay. Oh, it better not be a maze. Please don't be a maze. Oh my god. I think it's a maze. Okay, let's go in here. Is there a way out in here? Maybe there's something in here. Got it. Wait. Oh no, I have to go back, don't I? Oh my god. He's gonna be there. He's gonna be there. Oh my god, I'm scared right now, you guys. I don't even know where I'm looking. Where am I going? Are you gonna be there? Guys, I need to get out of this house. Fast. Oh my god, I'm outside, thank god. Going in the opposite direction, going this way. He won't find me out here. Again, out of breath. Why am I not surprised? 4 out of 8 pages, guys. Don't know what I'm doing at this point. He's behind me. Oh shoot, he's right behind me. Okay, he's behind me, guys. He is behind us. I don't know what he's doing behind me, but I have to evade him. Can't stay directly behind me or else he will attack. I need to get somewhere. Maybe I'll just go through these trees. Yeah, go through the trees. Super awesome precision maneuver tree powers.
So we're going at this point, and I'm just walking around.
Oh shoot! Oh no! Oh! Well, guys, that was attempt number 1 of playing Slender. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Actually, I'll be doing another one tomorrow. I'll do another attempt tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes for me. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.